Hello guys and welcome back to another eBay stuff video. Yes, I'm still working on a better name for the series, but not today. This episode we will be taking a look at another mouse, but this one is a bit different. It's a 70% real Razer Deathadder. You heard me right, this thing is 70% not fake. I found this hard to believe, so let's take a look at the eBay listing for this item. So this is what the eBay page looks like for the OEM Razer Deathadder that I'm reviewing today. And as you'll see further down here, they say it's 70% original. So it's at least 70% Razer, right? Well, not really. We'll take a look at that later in the video, so stick around to see when I tear it down and check out what's inside. So when you see stuff like this, it's OEM and things like this on a real product, you should just stay away from it because yeah, it's not. And the chroma lighting doesn't exist. It doesn't have 5 independently programmable hyper response buttons. It's just lies. It doesn't even work with Synapse at all. So if you're looking for something like that, I would, yeah, not go for this one. Just get a new one. Just save up a little bit more money and just get the real one. This is what I saw when I ordered the mouse, and I probably shouldn't have done that, but 4 weeks later it came in the mail. It was wrapped in black plastic, so the people at the post should just throw it away or something. It looked like trash or maybe drugs, but of course it wasn't. What it was the fake Razer Deathadder 2013 in the most smashed up box I have ever received. Now I'm starting to think about it, and drugs would have been better. So how is this thing to use on a daily basis? Apart from the back and forward buttons being the wrong way on, it's actually pretty fine. But it can lead to some pretty awkward situations, as you can see right now. Oh man, this isn't what I wanted to watch. Let me just go forwards to what I was watching. Gosh! That's only a slight exaggeration. Okay, maybe not, but still. You shouldn't get this thing if you want your forward and back buttons being on the right way. Other than that, it has the same shape as the original, and that's a good thing. The rubber grips on each side are actually made of rubber, which is nice. But one drawback is the short cable. It's about 60 centimeters, which isn't a lot for a mouse cable, so yeah, you probably should look somewhere else. Other than that, there isn't a lot to complain about. The clicks feel cheap, but that is to be expected from a fake product. The price is the worst part about this mouse. The last episode I checked out a cheaper mouse, which is actually better than this one. So there's a lesson to be learned here. And it's that 70% real products still suck 30% or more. And again, if you were hoping to use Razer Synapse, this will not work with it at all. It just shows up as a generic USB mouse, so look somewhere else please. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have inside, because I said I would. So, don't buy this. As you can see, it's not only 70% fake, it's 100% fake. And I'll show you a side-by-side comparison with a real one. And yeah, it doesn't look too good for this Razer Deathadder. But yeah. The moral of the story is, if you're looking for a cheap Razer Deathadder, don't buy one from eBay that says it's 70% real, just stay away from those. And yeah, there are some better alternatives out there. You can check out the mouse I reviewed in the last video, which is a lot better than this one, to be honest. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in another month or so. See ya.